Hello guys. Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Hello guys, so in this video we're gonna take a look at how we can connect to our home Wi-Fi using a QR code. So to do that, head over to qr.io and then make sure you click Wi-Fi, and here we're gonna write the network name, and usually the network type is this option here. To make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi, and come to this menu here and select this exclamation mark. It's going to open the Wi-Fi properties, and if you scroll down a little bit you're going to see the Wi-Fi name, and right here we have the Wi-Fi network type. So make sure you select that, and then you just enter the password and click generate QR code. Now, so that's it. If you want to add this to a document or print, you can download the image in the PNG format. Otherwise, just point your phone here and you will be able to log into the Wi-Fi. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure you leave it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one.